cry when I come home late. She couldn't buy the lies I told. All she wanted was to be needed, someone she could call her own. The love I know I took for granted until she walked out of my door. Too little too late to say I'm sorry. She's not crying anymore. She's not crying anymore. She ain't lonely any longer. There's a smile upon her face. A new love takes my place. She's not crying anymore. Just pick yourself above the crowd. I wasn't there when I was needed, but I was there to let her down. Sometimes you know I feel so fully. If I knew then what I know now, another tear will never fall, 'cause I keep her on my own. We could work things out somehow.